All right, people, Big Ed here. This is, I think, part 5 of my trying to figure out the wiring for my turn signals on my 1993 Harley Electric Glide FLHS. So where I'm at right now is I've got turn signal in the back. There was a turn signal module right here, which they don't show one in the diagram for the wiring in the manual, so I don't know why they put that one there. But anyways, I took it out and just temporarily wired these up. This is for that one little light down there. So right now I've got tail light. When I hook that one little blue wire up, I'll have that light. I already tested it. That one works. I've got headlight up here. These turn signal lights come on. The running lights are working. I've got to hook up the switch to turn them on. The turn signal will work now, but you gotta, when you get rid of the modules, you gotta hold the button. So you can see it working there. You can see it working there. And up front it's working. But it's clicking kind of slow. What I've done is I've wired in these flashers, turn signal flashers, instead of that module right there. Because this module, they had a module up front too, so they had two modules on it. And this is an aftermarket one. It's got a big crack in it. So that side works, but it doesn't click very fast. This side turns on, it's really bright. But when I do the turn signal, you can hear it clicking, but it's not flashing. Now when I go to the back, it works in the back. So, let's see, I got brake light too. Kind of hard to do it. So everything's working back here. Everything's working up here except for this light's awfully bright. And that one does not blink. This one's dimmer. It's on. You can tell the difference between the two lights. That one's on, but it's real bright. That one's on, but it's not very bright at all. That one blinks. That one does not. So, if anybody's got any ideas why it's doing that, hit me up. Yeah, that's on. It's almost like that right there is linked into the headlight or something. I don't know. I'm making some progress. Turn the bike off. But I'm going to do a little bit more research. What's the difference between these flashers and I heard there's a thing called a turn signal relay flasher? Is that the same thing? They're more square looking. I saw one video where they said they'll work great when the bike's sitting, but if you ride the bike, they screw up after a little bit of time. So I'm just trying to get it all buttoned up before bike week, and If anything, I'll undo the back or undo the front turn signals. At least I'll have turn signals for the rear if a officer gets behind me or something. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And like always, peace out.